So this truck's been in storage since probably October. It is in Pennsylvania, it's a seasonal vehicle. In Oregon, we can pretty much drive it all year round because they don't salt the roads there. But here, we salt the roads and it absolutely destroys cars. And so it goes away in the winter. One of the reasons why I spent yesterday just getting it out of storage and cleaning it up. There's always a list of stuff to do in the spring. Really, I placed that ad, dirty windshield, to get me to start going, get it ready for sale for the spring. I'm just taking a little cruise here. It's a 1987 Jeep Grand Wagoneer. We've had it since 2009 or 2010. My wife and I bought it. Get a lot of that, a lot of thumbs up, a lot of smiles. But yeah, we bought it, and it was all original, and it was low to the ground, and it had the original AMC 360 in it. And it needed some love, but it was complete and rust-free, and so we bought it, and I got it up and running and drove it stock for a while. And then I just really started I wanted to build it so that I could keep it forever. Kind of with that idea in mind. Not to be a show car. I've done those and I love show cars, but you know, the problem is when you get to a certain point with a car that you're restoring, at least this is what happened to me with my last car that I did a really down to bare metal, all repaint, you know, complete restoration. It turns into a show car, and then you don't want to drive it anymore because you can't afford to scratch it, or don't want to risk damaging it. This truck's really complete. I believe all of the paint is original, and it shows wear, scratches and chips, and the only thing that I painted was the hood and the cowl. I don't know how much you know about Grand Wagoneers, but this was right when the time when clear coats were just coming into existence, sort of, and they didn't have it perfected. So anytime you're going to buy a Wagoneer and someone says it's all original paint, just prepare that if it looks nice, it's probably not original paint, because a clear coat chipped off of these on almost all the top surfaces. So at any rate, I also like kind of the scars and just the marks of this being in service for a long time. You look around, and I'll plan on doing a really nice video with the GoPro tomorrow. We've got a break here. It's 50 degrees and sunny, and that's the nicest it's been. We had an ice rink in our backyard 2 weeks ago, so quite a difference. I'm gonna turn you off here because this is a long light. I'll turn you right back on.